Yo, what's up? My name is Pitt. Our studio Pitt's Tattoo and Piercing will reopen on 1st October, Friday. We have approved to operate by meeting and we will follow the guidelines to disinfect the studio regularly. So you don't have to worry if you want to come over for tattoos or piercings. Since the pandemic is still quite serious, we only allow customers who made appointment for our services to enter the studio alone. The waiting area is currently closed, so please follow SOP below. Number 1, show us your fully vaccinated status on Mysejahtera App. Number 2, please scan the QR code, do swab test, measure the body temperature and sanitize your hands before entering the studio. Our swab test kit is free of charge for customers who come to get tattoo and piercing. For walk-ins and those who need to enter the studio for consult, must bring your own swab test kit or purchase the kit from us. We encourage customers to book for our online consultation with Zoom meeting so that we can control fewer people in our studio. All our staff will also wear double layer masks to ensure the protection. I hope everyone stays safe and healthy. Thank you for your cooperation.